Welcome to Compare to Win. The best lotion with tanning tint is probably one of the most versatile beauty products you can add to your routine, offering a sun-kissed glow without the commitment of traditional self-tanners or the sun's harmful rays. Imagine achieving that healthy, radiant look year-round, effortlessly building a natural-looking tan that complements your skin tone while simultaneously moisturizing and nourishing it. This innovative formula allows you to control the intensity of your tan, from a subtle warmth to a deeper bronze, making it perfect for everyday wear or special occasions where you want to look your absolute best with minimal effort. It's the ultimate shortcut to luminous skin, blending skincare benefits with cosmetic enhancement for a truly transformative experience that leaves you feeling confident and glowing. Number 5. B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit. Get ready for a beautiful, dark sunless tan that lasts. This kit provides a natural looking glow that lasts up to 11 days. Need a quick tan? Our Express Foam delivers a fast bronzing glow in just 1 hour. It's perfect for when you're short on time. Enjoy a gorgeous tan without the unpleasant smell. Our formula is designed to leave you smelling fresh, not fake. Achieving an even application is simple with the included mitt applicator. Get a streak-free finish every time. Experience a tan that truly lasts. Enjoy your sun-kissed look for up to 11 days with this incredible kit. This is your all-in-one solution for a perfect self-tan. The Forever Bundle has everything you need for a flawless, long-lasting glow. What we like? This one offers an incredibly long-lasting tan, up to 11 days. It also has a fast-acting Express Foam for a quick glow. If you want a tan that lasts and don't want to wait hours, this is the one for you. What people say. This lotion gives a nice, subtle glow that looks natural. It's easy to apply and doesn't streak, providing an even color. The tint is buildable, allowing you to achieve a deeper tan over time. Number 4. B.TAN Insanely Dark Clear Self-Tan Gel. Achieve a deep, dark tan with our revolutionary Clear Self-Tan Gel. It's designed for those who want to embrace their natural glow, your way. Experience the next level in sunless tanning. This formula provides an ultra-quick bronze that looks and feels incredibly natural. Enjoy a beautiful tan without the worry of transfer. Our best-selling lotion is designed to be transfer-resistant, keeping your clothes and sheets clean. Forget the fake tanner smell. This product delivers an intensely dark tan with a fresh, pleasant scent, ensuring a comfortable application. Get a lasting, gorgeous glow with our 16 fluid ounces bottle. It's the perfect size to keep you bronzed and beautiful for longer. What we like? Experience a next-level dark tan with this clear gel. It's transfer-resistant, meaning no mess on your clothes or sheets. If you're looking for a deep, dark tan without the worry of staining, this is your perfect match. What people say. The bottle arrived with a little clip around the pump stem so it couldn't be pressed during shipping. No leaks. No mystery tan explosions. This gel is the perfect middle ground. Not thick and sticky, not watery and messy. It spreads easily and evenly, especially with a tanning mitt, which I always recommend no matter the formula. It glides on smoothly and blends without effort. It goes on completely clear, which means no guide color, no stained sheets, and no awkward "don't touch me" phase. It dries fairly quickly too. I was dry enough in about 10 minutes to throw on loose sweats and go about my evening. Number 3. New Skin Sunright Insta Glow Self Tanner Gel. Get a beautiful, sun-kissed glow without the sun. This self-tanner gel provides a natural-looking tan for both your face and body. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, it nourishes your skin while it tans. Enjoy a smooth and hydrated feel. Its gel formula makes application a breeze. Achieve an even and streak-free tan every time. Formulated with DHA and amino acids, it delivers a natural body bronzer effect. Achieve a radiant look safely and effectively. Experience an instant glow that lasts. This beauty and skincare essential helps you maintain a healthy-looking tan. Perfect for achieving that summer radiance year-round. It's your secret to a beautiful, bronzed complexion. What we like? Achieve a natural-looking summer tan with this nourishing gel. It's enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil for skin benefits. If you want a gentle, natural-looking tan for both your face and body, this is a great choice. What people say. Works great. Fast natural tan with no lines or staining your hands. It gives a great color, no streaks, and lasts a pretty long time before having to reapply. It doesn't sting my face or have any strange odor like most. It truly gives a real sun tan look, and it dries pretty fast. The gel formula is lightweight and smooth, making it very easy to apply without streaks. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave that sticky feeling like some self-tanners do. The color develops into a natural-looking glow rather than an orange tone, which I love. It's perfect for giving skin a healthy, sun-kissed look without spending time in the sun. I also noticed the scent is much lighter and more pleasant than other self-tanners I've tried. Number 2. Laboratories Ultra Dark Sunless Tanning Lotion. Get a beautiful, sun-kissed radiance in an instant. This premium lotion provides a flawless bronzed look. Formulated with organic ingredients, it's a self-tanner you can feel good about using. Enjoy a natural-looking tan without the sun. This versatile formula is designed for all-over application. Achieve a uniform bronzed glow on your body, face, and legs. Experience a deep, dark tan that looks like you've spent weeks in the sun. It delivers a rich, long-lasting bronzed finish. Trust Laboratories for your tanning needs. This ultra-dark lotion offers premium quality for a perfect tan every time. What we like? Get an instant, ultra-dark glow with this premium tanning lotion. It's made with organic ingredients for a healthier tan. If you desire a deep, immediate tan and prefer organic formulations, this is the product you should consider. What people say. It delivers a pure bronze tan that'll knock your socks off. This tanning lotion is very dark brown. It reminds me of hair color tint. This self-tanning lotion will produce a deep bronze tan easily 2 to 3 shades darker for most complexions. Number 1. Jeallis Extreme Dark Tanning Lotion Accelerator. Unlock your deepest, darkest tan with our advanced tanning accelerator. It's formulated to help you achieve a beautiful bronzed glow quickly and effectively. Get that sun-kissed look faster than ever before. This powerful formula works efficiently whether you're using a tanning bed or enjoying the natural sun. Experience a rich, even tan thanks to the integrated bronzer. It enhances your natural color for a flawless, radiant finish. We care about your skin and your art. This lotion includes a special formula to help protect your tattoos while you tan. Enjoy a beautiful tan without harsh chemicals. It's DHA-free, making it a gentler option for achieving your desired shade. With a generous 13.5-ounce size, you'll have plenty of product to maintain your gorgeous tan all season long. What we like? This lotion is designed for those who want an extreme dark tan, whether indoors or outdoors. It also features a tattoo-protecting formula. If you're a serious tanner looking for intense color and want to safeguard your tattoos, this is the one to try. What people say. This does not leave streaking or a weird smell. It actually smells really good. It tans beautifully. Bronzes beautifully without leaving any orange or streaks. Smells so good too. The formula goes on super smoothly and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy or sticky. Within just a couple of sessions, I noticed a deeper, richer color that looked natural, even, and bronzed, not orange at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.